How much more to go? Excuse me. Hi. I'm looking for the Buddha. Can you help me? Can I get a chai? Finally, I am now at one of Pakistan's most famous locations by tourists and worshippers from all over the world. Let's go check out Jahanabad Valley in the northwestern province of Pakistan. This place is known as Jahanabad Buddha, for you guessed it, the 6-meter tall carving right behind me. The structure, known to have been watching over the scenic valley, has been adored for centuries. In 2007, the sculpture was destroyed by a Taliban blast. Soon after, in 2012, they were able to restore the partially ruined face. There are hundreds of Buddhist rock carvings here, known to be carved before the 7th century. This one, however, is the largest in the whole of Asia. And now it's time for the next adventure. Oh, that was so easy. Ah!